Someone called me today asking about how she can keep the money she had when she got married separate when she's getting divorced. And I get that question all the time. How do I keep my separate money separate? And so I've put together 4 tips, and I'm going to give you the opportunity to download a PDF at the end of this video if you're interested in learning more. I'm Catherine Miller, and I've been a matrimonial and family lawyer in New York City and New York State for over 30 years. And of course, my first tip is get a prenup. Now, if you're already married and you don't have one, it might be too late, although you could do a postnuptial agreement, but that can be one really clear way to make it really obvious what is staying with each spouse when they get divorced and what is being divided. The second idea is to keep your separate assets separate. And that means don't mix them together with marital money. And it's really easy to do that. Like, let's say you have a 401k, you have put some money in your 401k, everything is fine. You go on your honeymoon, you go back to work, your employer has a matching contribution, and your first paycheck after your wedding day, ding, goes into your 401k. Now you've mixed them together. So it's really not that obvious sometimes how it is that you're keeping it separate. So the third tip along those lines is open new accounts. So if you've got money in your 401k, take that money, roll it over into an IRA outside your 401k. Now you've kept that money separate and you're going to build a marital 401k. And the final tip for you today is to don't put your spouse's name on your separate assets, even if it's super convenient to do it. That's called transmutation, and it's super easy to take something that is your separate property and make it marital just by doing that. Again, I'm Catherine Miller, and if you have any questions about this or you want more information about these 4 tips, give me your information in the link below, and I'll send you over my guide. Thanks for listening.